Get ready for a possum pie like you've never tasted before. And no, we're not eating opossums. This is not roadkill pie, my friends. This is stop number 20 in my 50 video series making all the state desserts in America, and today brings us possum pie. So if you know what state has this as their state dessert, let me know in the comments and go ahead and take a guess as well. If you don't know, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell before we get started so you can come back and join me for my weekly recipes. Starting with the crust, it's just some crushed graham crackers and melted butter that we're pressing into a 9-inch pie dish and baking at 350 for 10 minutes and then letting it cool. The next layer is going to be a cream cheese layer, which is just softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. We mix that up until really smooth and spread it evenly on the cooled graham cracker crust, and then this is going to get a layer of chopped pecans. We're going to store this in the fridge while we make the next layer, which is a simple chocolate pudding. It's milk, sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, and salt that we whisk and cook over a medium heat until it comes to a boil, and then it will thicken up really nicely into chocolate pudding. After that thickens, we turn off the heat and add in some butter and vanilla just to add flavor and richness. Whisk that in and then pour this onto that chilled cream cheese layer. And now this is going to get covered with plastic. Make sure the plastic touches the pudding so a skin doesn't form. And you want to chill it for about 4 hours so it can set up really nicely. To finish this off, we just have some basic whipped cream, cold heavy cream, powdered sugar and vanilla, whipped to stiff peaks that we spread along with some chopped pecans and chocolate shavings. And that is it for this possum pie. Layers of delicious, rich goodness, so amazing and easy to make. All right, so what was your guess? It's Arkansas. I had no idea. I've literally never heard of possum pie in my life before. I do love all the layers, the cream cheese, the crust, the pudding, and the whipped cream. It certainly looks like it's going to be amazing. And that it is. It is delicious, honestly. It is like the ultimate creamy texture because the cream cheese layer, nice tang, it's really smooth. And then that silky melt in your mouth chocolate pudding is nice and rich. And then it's lightened by the whipped cream on top. Perfect combination, excellent. I would strongly recommend. The full recipe is in the description, so make sure you try it. Let me know in the comments if you do. And of course, again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff so you can join me for my weekly recipes. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.